The blockchain hype isn't going away. A year ago, blockchain was predicted to make banks obsolete, to redistribute wealth in an unfair world, even to solve world hunger. Today, there's no reduction in hype. We all know someone who bought $100 worth of Ether 2 years ago and is now rich or has participated in an ICO. But entries on the radar show that the use of blockchain-related technologies is maturing. Blockchain solves two major problems. First, it allows us to establish distributed trust without relying on a trusted by everyone intermediary, such as a bank or a stock exchange. And secondly, blockchain allows us to create a shared, indelible ledger, a record of what happened. Today, we're seeing organizations build on both of these two fundamental concepts.
在这一期技术雷达中，我们看到了以以太坊为代表的很多区块链技术的兴起。其中比较有意思的一个是用以太坊技术构建去中心化应用。当我们提到区块链技术，很多人们想到的是加密货币、支付、结算等等跟货币和金融十分相关的应用场景。但事实上，区块链技术的应用场景远不止于此。如果我们有机会以去中心化的方式重新设计互联网应用，我们会得到什么？于是我们看到了一些这样的应用场景，可以用区块链技术来实现分布式投票，能够在不依赖中央监管的情况下实现去中心化的民主。我们看到这样的一些应用，能够越过中介和平台，直接打通消费者和闲置资源，建立共享经济类的应用。为了实现这些应用场景，像 Solidity 这样面向智能合约的编程语言和 Truffle 这样集成了现代工程实践的开发框架，能够帮助我们更好地构建去中心化应用。
R3 is a consortium of 70 financial services companies who made waves when they built a proof of concept settlement system based on Ethereum and had it running between several banks. Since then, though, they've moved away from Ethereum and created an open source ledger platform, Corda, built for banks and other financial institutions. So like other blockchains, Corda allows parties to create a mutually trusted, indelible ledger of facts that cannot be disputed or changed later. It does that without the computationally expensive proof of work system employed by Bitcoin, and it's got a much higher privacy level built into it than public blockchains. So although the platform has had some teething problems and the development experience isn't yet completely smooth, we think Corda is worth looking at for organizations who want to get into distributed ledger systems.
尽管围绕区块链的过度炒作仍未停止，我们看到很多技术突破和创新正真实地发生着。我们期待看到这些技术进一步的成熟和得到应用。